What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to earn money online by typing what you hear. It's pretty simple to do. It's very basic. It's entry-level, beginner-style business. Now, with that said, I just want to be 100% clear. You're not going to become a millionaire doing this system. Now, if you want to make an extra $200, $300, $500, maybe $1,000 a month, this is a great opportunity for you, okay? Let me kind of explain what it is. Now, first, if you want to know how to make more money online using a bunch of different systems, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any more videos. But what am I talking about? How can you make money by typing what you hear? Well, there's a website. It's called rev.com. You can see it right here, okay? Rev.com, I know it works in the United States. I'm pretty sure it works in Canada, works in the UK. I don't know if it works in many other countries, India, Pakistan, Philippines. I have no idea, okay? But this is a great business to get into. All you're doing is you are typing what people say. You can do it through become a transcriptionist, a captioner, subtitler, or even a translator, which is awesome. So let me explain this. Now, I have a few clients, kind of friends, I guess, that do use rev.com. I use it to have captions done on certain videos, but they use it as a way to supplement a little bit of their income. And on average, they make about $300 to $400 per month. They're doing this very part-time. I think they do it for every once in a while. They do it for like an hour or so a night. They hardly get any jobs on the weekend, but it's something that just supplements their income. Just makes a little bit more. So if you're looking to kind of add to your wallet, pad your bank account, pay that extra bill at the end of the month, Rev.com might be a great option for you. So if you want to become a transcriptionist, a captioner, subtitler, or even a translator, click on whatever one you want, and then it will take you to a page that looks like this. Become a transcriptionist with Rev. Work where you want, whenever you want. Now, it says right here, average earnings per month, $245. Okay, you get paid weekly, which is nice, through PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal in your country, this is not going to work for you. And top monthly earning is $1,495, roughly $1,500. So, are you going to be able to make that per month? I highly doubt it. To start, I'd say no. Okay, but you got to go through the application process. It is rather lengthy from what I hear. It's going to take a little bit of time. You're going to have a few tests along the way, but you can come here and you can read all about it, okay? You can read some testimonials. I have no clue who these people are, but you can read them, see what they have to say. Frequently asked questions. They're recommended by, a bunch of different companies. So, why am I recommending Rev.com? Now, the number one reason why is because it's very easy to get into as long as you understand the language that you are going to be typing in. Okay, you're going to be typing all this stuff out. People are going to be sending in jobs for videos to get them captioned. They would be doing transcriptionists for maybe people that just have an audio file but they need it in writing. Maybe it's going to be for a podcast, and the podcaster is now going to put that actually on their website, on their blog, but they need it in written form. That's where you come in, okay? So to give you an idea of how much you're going to make, let me just put it this way. You're probably going to make about $12 an hour, and you could probably make up to $15. That's pretty much the sweet spot right there. You will probably start out making closer to $7 to $8, but once you get the hang of it, once you get, the jobs that you understand, your writing, your typing is getting faster, you're becoming more efficient, you're not making mistakes, then that's where you're going to be making anywhere from like $12 to $15 per hour. So you're not going to become a millionaire by doing this, but it gives you that added income, that little extra boost at the end of the month that, okay, I can pay that bill or I can pay down that debt, all right? So all I'm trying to do here is explain to you what options you have. There are so many jobs that you can do. You can go work for McDonald's or Walmart, or you can go work for Costco and make some great money and you get their benefits and do all that stuff. But A lot of people are looking for ways to work from home. They don't want to go get a second job or a third job or struggle to make ends meet. So go get yourself some type of job that you can do from home, which this is. Become a transcriptionist, a captioner, a translator. There's options out there, right? That's what I want you to understand with this video. So if you want to go check out rev.com, go do it. But what I'm telling you right now is you're not going to become a millionaire doing this. Okay, not through this company. But this is a way for you to get your foot in the door, test it out, see if you even like this type of business, and go from there. So let me give you 3 tips that my friends have told me. If you want to become a successful transcriptionist, whether it's through rev.com or transcribeme.com, there's a lot of different transcription services out there, and you can join them all if you want to. But one of the tips that I got was to have yourself a good headset. Don't just have earbuds, okay? Those aren't going to work. Have yourself quality headsets that eliminate any outside noise, that have decent sound quality, because if you can't hear what somebody is saying, how are you supposed to type it? Tip number 2 is don't wait around for the weekend to try to secure these jobs with rev.com. The reason why they say don't wait for the weekend is because there's hardly any jobs available. All the jobs are taken up during the week. They're pretty much finished by Friday. And so on the weekend, you might be able to pick and choose between a handful, but that's it. If all the transcriptionists are trying to pick out these jobs, the ones that they want, it's first come, first serve. There might be nothing for you. Tip number 3 is if you want to make more money, you have to work longer hours. Okay, you have to work longer hours and you have to type faster. Okay, if you can do that, you're going to be successful as a transcriptionist, captioner, translator with rev.com. But again, this is only one website you can use. The second one I recommend is called transcribeme.com. It's one I've recommended before. I've used them before. Okay, it's one that I do trust. So if you guys have any questions on how to make money typing what you hear, let me know down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you guys out any way that I can. But again, just understand, this is one business you can get into. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but it's going to put a little more money back into your pocket. And if that's what you're looking for, this is a good option for you, all right? So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.